You might be running into this problem where for some reason you're getting a Snapchat C16A error code. Now, this can happen for a lot of different, reasons, and there's never just one reason why something like this ends up happening. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is taking a look at this particular page that Snapchat actually pushed out. So it basically gives you an error code when you're actually logging in. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is taking a look at this particular page, and I'll just go and read it to you so you don't have to do anything. It says, if you're seeing an error like C14A, C16A, one of these types of errors, when you're trying to log in, it usually means that there's a specific issue or real-time issue going on with Snapchat. So the first thing they go and tell you to do, it could be because of a poor Wi-Fi connection or a poor internet connection. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is just double checking your internet connection within your particular iPhone or Android or whatever you have. So go inside of your iPhone settings, Android settings, whatever you have, and just double check your Wi-Fi connection. For a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's the very first thing that I recommend doing here is to double check that internet connection. Now, another thing you're going to want to do on top of that is to go through and just go ahead and see if for some reason Snapchat is basically having an issue in terms of their servers. So what you can do is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com, one of these types of websites, and you just want to see if Snapchat is on here. If Snapchat is down, it's going to be one of these websites right here. So what I recommend doing here is just going through. If it's not one of the top 5, then it might not even be down. But that's another thing I'd recommend doing is just double checking that this particular website isn't actually down or Snapchat isn't down. That's another thing you can do as well. You can also try restarting Snapchat or your phone. So close out of Snapchat entirely. Just close out of it, go back into it, see if that fixes it. You can also restart your phone by clicking the volume up button and the power button at the same time. See if that ends up fixing the problem. Those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the issue for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.